no come off. I know Jamaican man alone left woman. I know Jamaican man alone cheat. Come off of them. Come off of them. I don't want you none of uno. I try style man them. I don't talk our story. I don't want punk them. I don't want clown them. And it now work out. I see some woman take up a style from where they come on the internet. All on TikTok and a disrespect the Jamaican man them somewhere. I not like that. Yes, you can talk where people do too. No can talk, but you see when you not talk, you have to talk the story right. Talk how the story go. Because me I listen to all of you. Most of you when me can get for watch so far. Me I listen to you. I know I talk one side of story. Talk the full story them how they go. Because you see, some of you set up on yourself to get used. Reason being, you know 99.9% of the time, you know say the man them not single. You know say they have them baby mother, them are them baby mother, them girlfriend. You know, and you still adamant say you not go take a girl man. You know still adamant and say yes, me go take a girl man, cause me dey Farin and me in a better position or so our man go run come to me. You know still adamant. You know how much family you break up. Talk them things there. Talk how much home you take sweets and wreck. Talk how much picking left down here without a father figure all because of uno. Bang no say I no buy man, you know. I no take a girl man, I buy no buy. And for the little punk man them, me not talk for the little clown them where uno can take sweets and just spin them so make them forsake them pitney them mother forsake all themselves. Me not talk for them one day. Me I talk the real Jamaican man them when I settle for foolishness. The real Jamaican man them when come on the internet and not burn. You don't feel like say we are gonna holler uno fi drag them out. You don't feel sir? You see some man no? You don't have a style like this. Me realize say the 30 at late 30s up in the 40s, you come like say full no crutches they on fire. You want man more than anything else. Some man no breathe out, you know. Terrible, breathe out, mileage high. And nobody no settle phone so no say, alright. The man them don't Jamaica, them in needs and them in a wants, you know, so we can run good on the go hold on pan a girl man. Run good on the go hold on pan a boy somewhere. And we can get in up because you know them in a needs and they want, they like to hear about foreign woman and this and that. But I know that the game change. Them no want to know. They want better for themselves and their family. And they didn't know what the man them sign up for. And they didn't know say I never love. 99.9% of the time, you know say the man them have their woman. And have them family. And still wreck the home and mash up it. And then when time things come and touch you back, you come per internet. Oh, Jamaican man, nobody do. Lie. Jamaica have the best man them. Me mean best man in a bed, in a kitchen. Jamaican man can work. In a everywhere, bed everywhere. We not a lazy boy down at this. So no stop come like say you don't want to come style we man them some kind of way. You not putting yourself in a position to get used. Because you not buy man. You not crutches them on fire. You not settle down, you not wait till you not mileage high. And breathe out, you know want Jamaican man to come on the yard, come settle down with you. You know the talk so sometimes man them up there. Then can't call back them family them down here. You know the talk that. Sometimes man them can't deal with them family them. You know if you know everything. Me know a man right now we having baby mother them down here. And when time me want send the money come I wife have to send it. Some man don't hate the baby mother them. Like so the baby mother them do the something. Me I got to make this clear. Me not have no man when a girl take. Me I make this clear but me see things that happen. Some man don't take the man them and mash up the family them and hate the baby mother them. You know hate the pitney them. Sometimes a man want to come to Jamaica come spend little time and want free man with the family. All because you don't feel like say, you might go down there to baby mother now. You don't have to fly back, man. The man don't have no time and no space. You know up there and the man up there and not treat them like dog up there. All because papers. Jamaican man them a tape left from you now. And when time you see baby mother them in a fire, you don't allow them. Allow them. Because guess what? The Jamaican man them, I tell them woman everything now. And then woman write it out. So when they get the papers, them are left, you know. Them are left, you know, and send for baby mother down there. So I send for uncle, auntie, and cousin down there. So and care their whole family and friends. Some of them don't have no style. What you no give, you know what you no get. Same as how you get them, same as how you lose them. You know if you talk, how much home you no mash up. Talk about that. Talk, you not talk one side of story that me can't take. Talk how much home you not come ball, you not shut on the mouth. You know a home wrecker. Shut on the mouth. And take on the use and go sit down. Shut up. And come off of women them. Come off of them. Me no want none of you to talk. Come off of them. Because if you ride this out with the man them. So none of you feel like you can come. Some of you shape like friggin' camel. Or shape all kind of way. You feel like you can come take like $1. And not go take with man them for we don't. We finna ride that out with the man them. And we are below sort of you. We are make life out of us. So no always feel like say, you know they on WhatsApp profile, I know they on status, I know they on Facebook profile, that not change it. We are right out because we understood the assignment. So when time we not take with man, and not take with family, and not turn it upside down, and not say we take back with man and come up a friend, come live, shut on the mouth. Shut on the mouth, because we are gonna be the cousin. We are come live with you know. We are going to be the helper. We are come live with you now. Because we understood the assignment. Anything you want to get, you know, if we take. Karma. You know, come off the internet. But Jamaican man, every man give woman born. Jamaican man, them this. Jamaican, you know, come off. I know Jamaican man alone left woman. I know Jamaican man alone cheat. Come off of them. Come off of them. I don't want you none of you know. I try style man. Them. You know, talk our story. You don't want to punk them. You don't want to clown them and it now work out. That's why you sour. You sour and bitter against them. And it now work out for you. Because we understood the assignment and big up all of the Jamaican men. We now make no girl Farin use no sweet and punk and clown and make you abandon and pity them and abandon and come from. Me see you deal with them. All because them in a one situation. Me see you clown them. Me see you deal with them. No, no innocent. You don't feel like you can't take with man them and come a friend and treat them bad. I like a punk one them I go stay around. You like a clown one them. You like a sauce up. You like a butter one them. Me not talk about the butter one them. Me talk about my real Jamaican man them. We are left dump Yeah. Run gone left after them get what they want. Them man them me a big up in another video. Big up all of my real Jamaican man. You don't forget dump. Cause see them wanna get them, you know say man them have them people them. And you still put yourself in there, you mash up family. You do all kind of shit. And then when time the man reach a Friday, you feel like say the man them feel all about and who chill a load of picking them and forget feeding them down a yard. What the fuck do you know? That nah play. That nah play. What the fuck do you know? What the fuck do you know? No saw me I said. That nah play. The time hot. That nah play we are watching now. And all I baby mother them on eat as me I go say. None for them me see how no treat the baby mother now go up on Facebook and talk about the girl them and do all kind of same thing. So I'm sitting with me soon stay up there and do. You know is a set of despicable human beings. You know wicked to no one kind. So don't know come by internet come ball about oh me Jamaican. Love them. Left them. Oh no I problem. Oh no. When you reach, when you're in the 40s, you no settle down, you no man. You no breathe out and rev out. Some of you know want, as soon as you get Jamaican man come a friend to come stay up there with you know. You no tap walk. I don't want Jamaican man sit down and pay all the bills and mine, you no pick me them. Talk about that. Talk about that. Man them can't call back for them on a yard. Talk about that. Talk how you treat them. Make them leave, you know. So nobody can now run from good. Talk on the treat them, make them leave, you know. Them supposed to leave, you know. Only little punk them when they can't clown. Anytime when they can't get to clown them and punk them, when they come, oh, Jamaican man. Left them. Left them. Uno crutches there, uno crutches there, uno no Farin. Too desperate. Uno too desperate. Uno know the younger, I'm all kind of man a breed, no want settle down and no want married. But when you no rev out, breed out and no mileage high, Jamaican man no want. If you left their woman and their family for uno, not happening. Uno no have more, but uno go ball some more. Uno go ball some more. So, working money and send it come get the boy. That boy mind everybody. And uno go there on profile, uno go there on status, and uno go get wife up. 24/7. Una go get my, una go hear things and my Una got dep on the status for your 10 years and now come off. Una dep on profile picture for your 10 years and now come off, and we still not left with man. How about that? How about that? Una forget use. Una understand on yourself, una too desperate. Una supposed to get used. See them wanna get them and see them wanna go and lose them. And we are down here. If me should have find myself in a position like me, I stay down here, me I go stay low up on I'm gonna be the cousin that gonna come to your yard and stay. I'm gonna be the niece. Yes, I'm gonna be. I'm not too desperate. I'm not too desperate. I realize say woman them 40s I'm up and do them something. I'm too desperate. A Jamaican man I don't have to call second phone look a riff rap front. Ain't gonna happen. Ain't gonna happen. Shut on them out. And come off the internet. Anything you get in a tech. Cause the present bed hard, I'm gonna lay down in night.